The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So people, my day in my house a cook, right? And me think the campaign Motorcade and them thing that they done. I see that? JLP Motorcade on the road. So what is this? They say Motorcade done, and that is a JLP Motorcade on the main road, and coronavirus run wild in Jamaica. Oh well. The other night I talk about it, you know. PNP and JLP then understand themselves right now in this crisis and pandemic that we're there, you know.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, you see the video that I just presented to you. I saw this video on social media, you know, and when I saw this video on social media, I saw this video on the 28th of August 2020 on social media. That's when I saw this video. Now, according to the date when this video had been posted on social media, right? I get the understanding that this video had been posted on social media 2 days before the 28th of August 2020 when I saw this video on social media. You understand what I'm saying to you? If you listen to the video, you will hear someone saying some things in the background of the video. And according to how I understand some of the things that the person in the background of the video said, I get the understanding that the person is saying that the person thought that election campaign or election motorcade within the country of Jamaica was over with or done with, but yet still there is a JLP motorcade on the main road somewhere within the country of Jamaica. And it would seem as if the person is concerned that there is a motorcade that is considered to be an election motorcade on the road while the COVID-19 pandemic is a problem to Jamaica. That's the understanding that I get, alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video. Now, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And this video is going to show a person talking about the health minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Christopher Tufton. And this person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that this person is saying that Mr. Christopher Tufton should not be on television doing any debate. I'm assuming that this person is talking about Jamaica 2020 election debates. You understand? Yeah, that happened at a certain place within the country of Jamaica. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this person went on to explain why this person said these things. And I'm going to present this video to you so that you can hear for yourself some of the things that this person had said. Alright? Alright, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that this person had said. You can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that this person had said. Alright, and after I present this video to you, then we'll talk a little bit more about some of the things that this person said in this video. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Dr. Tufton should not be aired on any television with no debate. Jamaica don't want to hear from you, sir. The Prime Minister needs to arrest you in the 5-star jail cell or the 5-star prison that is the office of the Prime Minister. You understand? Dr. Tufton should never come and no ear play. Dr. Tufton should go to him yard, go sit down and wait until we feed the Auditor General finish the report and make Jamaica know how the $9 billion move down in a throat hole. You hear me tell no? Jamaica don't move nowhere at all more in a throat hole. Don't put that man on here for no debate. He cannot debate anything to us. When the media asks him about Jamaica moving, says none of our business. Him bash Zara Burton if he says Zara Burton in a fast in a fear life. So she not ask him nothing. You hear you now, Dr. Tufton. You see Jamaica moves and the $9 million? A taxpayer business, sir. That is taxpayers' business. You cannot come and hear. You're supposed to be on the back bench. Go home to your yard.
You know?
Go take set of your yard until when Moko find you guilty and they arrest you too. You're too barefaced. You're too barefaced and presumptuous. Nothing can go so. You know if you come on here, come open your mouth. Go keep quiet. You know shame and disgrace to our health system. See the two doctors them are public there? Test positive. Yeah, with COVID-19. And that is not a backlog. You hear? You're coming with backlog for scared off voters. You are not capable to come and here to participate in no form of debate. You should go to your yard. You're under investigation for Jamaica moves for $30 million. When nurse and police and teacher want, police need them money. The money where you take where we were moving a throat hole with your small hood. A pink wall says so. Yes. And your family, your wife, family, they expose you over pink wall. The money where you move down in a throat hole, the $9 billion for Jamaica moves, carry it, go give the Jamaica constabulary force them forget with money. You hear I tell you? Yours not fit to come and here to hold no debate. You bash the media house, you tell Zara sign up for your business. Well, let me tell you which part I have for with business now. Let me tell you where in it I feel with business. The $9 billion over Jamaica move at every single Jamaican business that. So you're not supposed to come pa no CVM, no TVJ, you know, for all, no press conference. You hear I tell you? You know, too bareface. I condemn any media house we carry on about debate. Go one side and hold on your head and shame like dog. You know, a disgrace to Jamaica taxpayers. You know, come take with tax money like you know things are for, no? You do me no business with your throat hole. You hear me no business with you for throat hole, no, me no business with that part, but you see the money where you pay for good on in a throat hole, carry it, go give the JCF and JDF, give nurse and teacher and doctor. Nurse can count money. JCF man, they know if you count them money, put it down up the on the decks down a central police station. You hear? Get 2 assistant superintendent and put them there. If make every policeman, constable, sergeant, assistant, everybody go, they go pick up taxpayer money, a police and soldier and teacher and nurse. Will tax money for give. Not for your baby, not for your personal enjoyment. You hear? Taxpayers' money is not yours, sir. Don't come and here, come say nothing. No media house should have any interview with you. Not to mention a debate. You come into debate, you cannot tell Jamaica nothing at all. If you come and here to debate, police should make an arrest. Mocha should come out, come put bangle pan you and arrest you. Because you thief with money. Put down in a throat hole and on two bear's face and presumptuous.
Okay, so this person accused.
What you think the police don't know about throat hole too? Police are like policemen in a Jamaica woman look better all alone in a Jamaica house right now. You hear? Carry me money, me taxpaying money, the $9 billion me want it. You will not get away with that. You know, disgrace to Jamaica. You go hold because you might put you up for debate. Which debate you go hold? You take $9 billion for put in a throat hole. I have a pink wall it there. Anything when me talk, you saw we go on. And when me no make up no story pound over pink wall, your business there. How you prick small. And how you have concubine and uptown who room wreck all of them something there. You come to disgrace, then Zara asks you about it. Because Zara is #1 media house personnel in Jamaica. She come first in my site. She asks you the relevant question. What about the business where you go and you tell her no, your business is Zara business. She pay tax at Jamaica for me business. And for policeman and woman business, soldier business, nurse business, doctor business, teacher business, fireman business. You hear I tell you? That is not your purse. You think a juicy beef money you take here? You think a juicy beef down in a Central Elizabeth where you have down there? You think I eat feet, but you think I eat you take put in a throat hole? Eh? We money. Don't come and here, come hold no press conference. Here's a disgrace to Jamaica whole health system. You fail us. You blunder. Don't come on here. Mocha should order arrest for you when you go on here. The Auditor General have you under investigation. The case don't close, but you come for national debate pound for TV. Wish media house. Go stay your yard. Go to your condominium where you live because them put you out. At the matrimonial home. Go to your condominium and sit down quiet there until when Moko and the Auditor General in Jamaica finish with the report.
This I wanna mix up.
You hear I tell you?
Real mix up this.
Uno two bare face. You think the taxpayer money just all go so? I pay attention to uno. Fi pit your sweetheart. Eh? Line her up, make every man at Jamaica come get them thing right. Lined up the man them at Jamaica if you can get them things rectified at $9 billion. Every man can get them can do deep throat too. You hear I tell you no? Every man in a Jamaica and all of the man them who Jamaica and who around the world if you can let the line long.
That's what I don't want none. Me no want none. Me
no two
personally
bare
no want
face.
none for Sobico.
Boy you come and debate to tell us what?
Me not involved in that.
Eh? And you couldn't tell Zara, you tell Zara, son, none of our business, he asks you about with money. You come in and debate to do what? You got to go. We don't want you on any farmer debate. You two bare face. You know what $9 billion could do in our country? Eh? You know what $9 billion can do to Jamaica? But you want to take it, go pleasure yourself? Taxpayer money and for pleasure. It's for road, water, light. Pay a civil servant. Give police nice car to drive in, go home and place to live. Comfortable. You understand? You take it pleasure off yourself and a pleasuring. Eh? A pink wally compound. You hear me tell you no? He come from Pink Wall and Zara asks you and you tell her no for your business. It's Zara business and it's Taisha Dean's business too. You hear?
Viewers, subscribers, let me tell you this, you see? You see, the things that this person said in this video, I consider a lot of these things to be accusations and allegations. You understand me? And I'm not saying that everything that this person said in this video, I consider those things to be allegations. No, I'm not saying that because there is something that happened where it is said that a person asked Christopher Tufton a certain question, and the answer that he gave the person, it would seem as if he was upset about the question. You understand me? And you know, the question that the person asked, you see me, it was about him cheating on his wife and them things there. So I said to you, now there are reports out there that said some things that gave me the understanding that the health minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Christopher Tufton, welcomes audit or auditors. You see me? You see it, yeah. That's how I understand some of the things that have been said in reports out there. You see me? Now, I am not sure if this person is actually talking about the same audit that I'm talking about. You see me? I'm not sure, but however, I'm telling you, according to what I read out there in reports out there. You see me? Now, this person said some things in this video, viewers and subscribers, and really and truly, I really and truly can't to comment on some of the things that this person has said in this video. You understand? Yeah. In my point of view, you know, I think a person has a right to the freedom of speech and these things, you see me? But I think that persons should also have evidence and proof when they are going to accuse someone of certain things or saying certain things about persons. You understand me? Alright, so this is the thing now, viewers and subscribers, you see me? You see, because I do not have any evidence or any proof or any valid information about some of the things that this person had said, I don't think I can really comment on some of the things that this person had said in this video. But however, this video is out on social media. I'm gonna bring it to you to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, because this video is being talked about on social media. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person has said, you know. You see me? You can let me know if you agree or if you do not agree with some of the things that this person has said. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, but anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. And I want to big up and respect to the person in the video, big up and respect to Mr. Christopher Tufton, and big up and respect to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.